Good afternoon, I'm Federica, and today we are going to review the account of Hassam. Hassam joined our funded trader program last September on the 9th and hit his first 10% target on the 20th of January. So it took a while for him to hit his first 10% target, but eventually he made it. So congratulations, Hassam, on your first target hit. Now let's have a look at the equity line to see how the journey with us has been for Hassam. So we can see that when he started, we can see a lot of ups and downs. He was going up on his account and then he was back on the initial account balance, then up again and then back initial account balance. Here we can see by October the 14th, mid-October, he was down 2% on his account. Then from this point onwards, he started to accumulate gainings and profits. In fact, we can see by the end of the month he was up 1% on his account. Beginning of November he was up almost 3% on his account. So we can see a lot of ups and downs. So that's why it took a while for him. And we can see here actually on the 8th of January he was up 4% on his account, and just 1 week after he managed to get to this 10% target. So let's have a look at the statistics. We can see an average daily return of 0.07%, a monthly average return of 2.17%, with a drawdown floating, of course, of 6.12%. From the advanced statistics, we can see here 230 position opened with a profitability rate of 50%. Let's have a look at the average win and loss. So we have an average win of 27 pips with an average loss of 18 pips. His best trade was on the 20th of January in terms of dollars. He gained $297, while on the October 28th he gained 123 pips. Regarding his worst trade, on the 29th of September he lost 66 pips, and on the 6th of January he lost $246. Let's have a look at the summary to see if he focused on some pairs more than others. Well, we can see few numbers of trades in different pairs actually. Let's have a look at the most profitable for him. So yeah, we can mention here 24 position opened on the pound Aussie. He gained 525 pips on this pair, resulting in a profit of $834. As well, we can mention here 22 position open on the pound yen. He gained 200 pips on this one, resulting in a profit of $472. Very good. We can see good results also on his 8 positions on the pound dollar. He managed to get $303 on this one, as well as on the 13th position he opened on the dollar CAD. He gained $363 on this one. Very good, very well done. Let's also have a look at the negative side though. And we can see here 17 position opened on the euro yen. He lost 131 pips on this pair, resulting in a loss of $546. We can also see some losses here on the CAD yen, 7 trades on the CAD yen. He lost $369 on this pair, although we can see positive trades and negative trades, which actually is what was reflected from his equity line with all the ups and downs that we saw. An average trade length of 7 hours and 51 minutes. And from the scatter plot we can see how, yes, the majority of his positions were held for less than 15 hours and a few others were held for longer. What is nice to highlight here is that among those that were held for longer than 15 hours, only 4 positions were negative trades. So this is a good sign. This is a good point, actually, Hassam. Okay, so again, congratulations on your first 10% target, and I look forward to do the second review for your account.